Shandong Huidangjia Electric Appliances Company Limited is a large manufacturer in Chinese electric appliances industry. Located in Jinan City, Shandong Province, China, with registered capital of $54 million. Shandong Huidong Electric Appliance Company Limited is a subsidiary of Jinan Fair Electronic Commerce Company Limited. It has two independent brands, Dolang and Huidangjia. The office and factory area of over 5,000 square meters. Dolang brand is committed to creating healthy living appliances, with the starting point that easy to operate, efficient and practical, with the core that creating environmental health, energy saving to build China's famous health electrical brand. We intended to improve people's living environment, mainly to solve people in the summer cooling, winter heating, and the current increasingly serious air pollution problems, giving people an ideal temperature. After 6 years of rapid development, at present, the annual production capacity has exceeded 10,000 sets electric appliances and become one of the leading brands of China home appliances. We completed ahead of schedule the $4 million reservation sales targets last year. Now the group has coverage of 4 series: electric heaters, carbon crystal heater, wall picture heaters, baseboard heaters and outdoor heaters, air coolers and purifiers, and electric steamer with over 100 types. We have owned overseas warehouses in California and New Jersey in 2018. Huidangjia had built sales teams of 120 people and sold nearly 75,000 Huidangjia electric appliances to home and abroad.